Let's make this cute hood.
First, you go to the Merchant and Mills website and pay $9.75 for a PDF, which you have to print yourself.
It's literally 3 pieces.
Time to meditate.
If there's a pattern to match, I will match it to perfection.
Literally no one cares.
Don't forget the notches. They're actually important.
You gotta hand it to this cat. He looks great in buffalo plaid.
Let's just take a second and pick fleas off the cat's face.
Pinned it all together. Match the notches.
Now we get to sew.
Stitch the side panels to the back panel. The seam allowances are not marked on the pattern, but they are 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimetre.
By the way, welcome to Creative Alchemy with Carrie. Carrie rhymes with Mata Hari.
Top stitch those seams too.
Thank you for watching this breakout viral video.
I love being famous on YouTube, don't you?
Meh, whatever.
Sew the lining to the hood along the face hole part.
Don't forget to understitch the face hole and or top stitch it. I did both.
Okay, overkill much?
I am nearly squealing with delight. This is the last part. We're sewing the scarf on.
Pity the fool who doesn't have a sleeve board for pressing seams open in tight spaces.
I use a chopstick to turn the corners.
Right then, one more top stitch around the old scarf.
Please tell me we're almost done.
We're done!
Honestly, it's really cute.
It's really cute.
I also made this gray one.